Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Vinny B. Welcome to this beautiful but cold morning. Yeah, minus 23 degrees Celsius. Ooh. But today it's a really special day. So I've been building for the past year the Smart-Busa, and we all deserve something here. You deserve to see it run, and I deserve to have fun running it. Well, that part is good for the trash now. So welcome to part 18 on the Smart-Busa. I still need to prep a little bit the Smart-Busa, so let's get right to it. First, I need 4 winter tires. Alright, so just before putting the winter tires at the back, I will extend the cantilever push rod. Yeah, you. Creating a bigger gap with the fender and increasing the ground clearance. And I will do the same thing at the front. Oh, and this is where I can easily see my oil level on the Hayabusa engine. So let's do this, because I want to run that thing! Oh, yes, perfect. That's good. It's touching at the back. Yeah, it's touching at the back, right? So yeah, it's touching right here, the rear wheel. Probably release only that bracket. Give me some clearance here. Oh, I love cantilever suspension. So flexible. All right, so let's do all 4 corners.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so I won't lie to you. I did some pre-testing this fall. And I didn't film it. I know, I'm sorry. It was dark and I was stressed enough with just running the Smart-Busa. And yes, I had some issues, but just one stupid one. That part fell off. Oh, you're gonna say it's not a big of a deal. Well, this thing keeps the sprocket bearing up by taking the load of the chain on this side once it broke off. And since the bearing is mounted on slots, the shaft got an angle and the chains just take off. And I remember, as you can see, it was just stacked in. Now I need to build something more bulletproof, make sure that this won't happen again. Back to work. And we're back. All right, I doubled the support, put too much weld on it. Hopefully this thing will be sturdy enough. I will put back on some tension in the chain and off we go, my friend. It's gonna be driving time. Let's go. What? Cooking hot. Oh no! Just a day's eye! Chaud. Trop chaud. Oh, oh. Ah. Oh là là, il fait chaud.
So I let the Smart cooled and went for lunch with the wife.
Round 2. Fight!
If you don't already know that, editing can twist easily the reality of things. Yeah, here's the other side of the practice session I had with the Smart-Busa. And I might have a problem with my clutch. Enjoy! Ah! Hope you enjoyed this episode on the first test ride. Okay, I need to pause here. I was looking at some footage that we filmed that day, and it seems that I bent something. Did you spot it? Yep. So I don't know when or how it happened, but I bent it good. But that's okay, that's part of the testing phase. Hopefully I will find all the weakest link before track days. Because once at the track, missing all your racing sessions because of a bent shaft, that sucks way more than having the problem in my home driveway. And I'm 99% sure that I used hot rolled steel for that shaft. It's probably what I had on hands. Mistakes were made. So I will make a new version of that part, but with hardened steel. And another good news, the main shaft seems fine. I'm pretty sure that's gonna be my next weakest link. But since I will add a differential one day, that will impact the design and the use of the main shaft. So for now, I'm not planning on doing anything on it. Right, so that concludes fabrication of phase 1 of the Smart-Busa. But I'm not done here, because there's gonna be racing videos and way more projects to come. So as long as my will and interest in filming and editing is fine with it, this channel will grow and grow. So please consider subscribing if you like what you're seeing. Quick news, I'm currently working on the biggest, well, the heaviest project that I ever had in the shop. It's huge. Video to come. Also, I'm designing a trailer on airbags to take the Smart-Busa on the track. Then I want to build a pit bike, a 3-wheeler pit bike, using a used and worn out Honda Mini Trail. Finally, the next episode in 2 weeks will be a time-lapse of the entire build of the Smart-Busa. So click on that bell if you want to get the notification. Till then, go do something with your hands, your head, or both. See ya! Ow! Ah! Please do. Okay, I need to pause here. Till then,